Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to the beautiful summer evening. I'm so excited to pour tonight. I have some amazing colors and a beautiful big canvas, and I'm really happy, so let's get started. This is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas from Artist Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with one of my colors, so that's all ready to go. Let me show you these colors because they are amazing and I love them. This first one is Golden's Permanent Violet Dark. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. This just makes me so happy. When I opened the jar, I was like, oh yeah, baby. I don't know if you guys have it bad for colors like I do, but it makes me wonder sometimes. This one is Quinacridone Violet, which I used in my Into the Groove pour with Sarah Mack, that little mini collab she and I did. That was so much fun. And then I have some, what was this one called? Quinacridone Scarlet, yeah, from Pebeo Studios Acrylics. It's a beautiful color. It's kind of like strawberry. Very pretty though, very happy, bright and cheerful. And then I also have some yellow. This one is Azo Yellow Deep from Amsterdam. Very pretty color too. Another bright, cheerful, happy one. This is kind of my groovy color palette, except I haven't got the pyrrole orange in here this time. But I really like all of these. And then I have some, this is actually a combination of my leftover bronze and some 24 karat gold. So it should dry really, really pretty. A little bit deeper than the normal 24 karat gold color, but I'm really looking forward to that. I also have some Amsterdam Pearl Yellow, which I love. And I have some Chromacryl Acrylics White with a tiny bit of satin enamels in it from Deco Art Americana Decor. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to layer 2 cups or flip cups on that 24 by 30. I did a pour a couple of weeks ago, the Enso Circle, the Circle of Zen, little mini collab with Nate Bright and Kelly from Feral Art, and it was so much fun. And I did a flip cup, and then we did the Enso Circle on top of it, which was awesome. If you haven't seen that one, please go check it out because it was really, really fun. And I just loved all those cells from the flip cup. So tonight I want to do just a flip cup without the Enso Circle. So let's get started layering these. We're going to start with a little bit of white in the bottom. And I am probably going to use a lot more white than normal, but maybe not as much. I don't know. Might still end up being a sandwich pour. I haven't quite decided yet. But I'm just going to start putting some colors in here. And I'm not using very, very thick layers. But these are all really pretty together. I am kind of layering it down the side anyway. Maybe we'll do the top as a sandwich. I love that violet and the permanent violet dark together are just amazing. Okay, we're going to go another layer of white, and we're actually going to sandwich this one. Because one of the reasons I chose such bright colors was to be able to use them with a lot of white and still have color coming through, because obviously the white will tone it down. Okay, so let's see. Let's use some bronze again. Do some of the pearl yellow. Yellow, the Azo Yellow Deep. Some of that Quinacridone Scarlet. Quinacridone Violet. That's such a beautiful color too. Permanent Violet Dark again. And another layer of white on top of each one. Okay, so we have our two, I guess these would be triple decker sandwiches. Is it the Dagwood? You
Yep.
were talking about. Move the bronze out. Pull this over. All right. Make sure your canvas is clean. Okay, I'm gonna pour a puddle of the bronzy gold. Okay. Are you ready, husband of awesome?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we go. Keep your elbow tucked in when you're gonna flip and have confidence and just do it. Go for it. Don't wait, don't hesitate. We're actually gonna flip and lip this one out before we put that other one down because I wanna see how much area it covers. Okay. Are you ready, darling?
Yes, my love.
You go. That beautiful color coming out. Yay. So pretty. Okay, that's very nice. I love this in here. Beauty. Okay, cool. All right, I think I'm going to start this one over here on this end because I want to end on that side. All right. Are you ready, darling?
Yes, my love.
You go. Ooh, look at that. That's so pretty already. I love flip cups. They're just, you know, they just make me so happy. Look at all these little cells coming up through here. Beautiful. Some magic taps. Okay. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
You go. Sometimes it's a little hard to break the seal. Alright. That's good. I think I did the first one weird, but that's okay. Okay. I'm just gonna, let's see. Let's tilt this a little bit first to see if we can get these two to meet in the center a little bit more before we put down a flow extender. Looks like a butterfly. Okay, so the reason that I did that is because I'm going to put a flow extender down around this right now, and I didn't want to have a big line of the white from the flow extender in the center of the pour. So now we don't have that. Look at all these cells in there. That's so pretty. Let's torch this real quick. Okay. So I just want to point out these really pretty cells that we've got in here. You see this after you've let your flip cup develop for a minute or two before you start tilting it. So once you flip it out, just leave it alone for a few minutes and so much stuff will come up that is really, really pretty. This is gorgeous. I'm loving this section here. I like all of it. This is cool. I think we're gonna go this way off of that edge first. Okay, here we go. Let's find the way to the paint. We're gonna go down off of that edge. We're gonna bring this back to center. Nice and slow. And we're gonna go down. Nice and easy. Take this back to the middle. Ooh, look at that top edge opening up. That's gorgeous. I think I'm going to take a little bit off of this bottom edge because it's a little distorted. Come back this way and just let this float down a little bit. That's pretty cool looking.
Very cool looking.
The only thing I'm not crazy about is this one. I think we can take a little bit off of that edge. This squiggle right here I don't like.
It's nice to have options.
It is. Also, then we're taking off a little bit of extra paint that we have on here, which ensures nothing is going to crack and it's going to dry nicely. And now we're going to take it back down. And fix our composition again. And every time we go back and forth like that with the paint, we give our the cells a chance to grow and get nice and poofy and big and beautiful. That's looking pretty cool. What do you think, honey? Ooh,
Yeah.
part right there, so pretty with that the Pebeo strawberry color. Wow, that's gorgeous. Yay, little gold cells popping up through there. Awesome. Okay. Let's look at this real quick. This part I am like in love with right here. That's so pretty. Can you see that, honey? With these gold cells popping up and that strawberry and the permanent violet and then the Quinacridone Violet in there too. And there's this beautiful line of that bronzy gold on either side of this beautiful chunk of permanent violet. It's almost like the white cloudy stuff is on the surface and the colors are underneath. So that's pretty cool. Let's torch it one more time. See if there's any more cells that want to come up. Okay, so this is really cool too in here. Hey, look. I love that. Okay. Well, this is looking pretty awesome. This is a lot of fun. And you know, for me, flip cups they're one of the first techniques that I ever did. And it was just so joyful and so happy and such a fun, you know, cool, wow thing to have happen. And, you know, I tend to gravitate back towards flip cups just because they still do make me very happy and they usually turn out pretty darn cool. So this is awesome. I'm really liking this one a lot. And, I'll show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Please check out the rest of our premiere train. Kelly from Feral Art, I think, is also using a very similar color palette. And Brian Siglarski from Studio 15 Acrylics and Nate Bright Art, our sexy caboose, as always. So thanks for being here. We'll be right back with dried results. Bye-bye. Okay. So this is a few days later. This was our bright and happy flip cup. I love how this one turned out. It's so pretty. These colors are just gorgeous. That beautiful Quinacridone Scarlet from Pebeo, so pretty, especially next to the Quinacridone Violet and the Permanent Violet Dark, like up in this corner. It's just gorgeous. Lots and lots of beautiful cells, beautiful gradation of color. I like the shapes, I like the movement and the flow in this one. Lots of gorgeous little boulder cells all over. Really pretty, just lots of fun. But I do really like this one, and I encourage you guys to try flip cups. This one was a little bit different because it started out layered and then we ended up sandwiching it, which gave us more white in it, which was interesting too. So that's a variation to play with as well. But this was a lot of fun, and you know, I think that it's very important to have fun and to play and to be excited about what you're doing, because it just adds more love to it. So thank you guys so much for being here with us today. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful week, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.